Oh, there's one way, look.
.77 has successfully gotten off the runway and now taking off. Taking off now. Now departing is a DHL 777 dash something freighter taking off to an unknown location.
Oh, there's one way, look.
.77 has successfully gotten off the runway and now taking off. Taking off now. And V1 rotate. DHL 777. And now arriving from Faro is Ryanair, landing at East Midlands. 737-8. Now departing is East Midlands. Is UPS 5X23 service to Cologne. Now lining up. UPS 237. 767. Rotate. Now departing to Savanti, which is 8 hours away, is
it just me?
Cargo Jet Airways 767. Registration flight number is CJT 972. And have you gone up? I think it does. I don't know. Oop. And there it is, and enjoy your flight to Savanti in Canada. Yep, Canada. Now landing is the Ryanair flight from Rome. Now landing at East Midlands Airport. RYR 4ED. And here it is. Now, time to not butter it, stall it, bro. And you can't see it, bye. Now arriving is the DHL flight from Chicago O'Hare. Approximately a 7-hour 5-minute flight, 767 with DHL. Landing on time. Now arriving is the West Atlantic 77-300 freighter, arriving from Aberdeen. Code is NPT028E. Registration code is GCMCP. Oh, J. I'm sorry. Why am I even saying this? Approximately 800 feet at the moment. You don't really want to know the longest you do, that's just pointless. I guess this is the right time to say please subscribe, and let's get myself to 100 subscribers by the end of the year. Bloody hell, would you hurry up? Should be landing any minute now. And I'm very sorry for the darkness that I cannot control. Ooh! I just zoomed in. I don't really care about the fog. Okay guys, it's coming in and... Bloody hell, that's roaring. Welcome to East Midlands. Now arriving as Ryanair flight 6602. Service from Palma de Mallorca as a 737-800 Ryanair. And that beats it. Thank you for watching. Guys, see you in the next one. Bye.